So the inequality symbols are actually they're pretty intuitive, meaning they make sense if you just look at them, which is really nice. A lot of things in math, or I should say some things in math are not like that, but inequality symbols are nice. So um, just to go down the list real quick, and then I'll kind of explain each one more in detail. We've got this is the greater than symbol. This is greater than or equal to. And we have less than or equal to, and then just not equal to. So, for example, let's look at greater than. We could say 5 is greater than 3. And what's nice about the greater than symbol and the less than symbol is the big end of it actually is bigger than the small end of it. So you point the big end to the bigger number, like that's the big end. Let me move that. Let's delete that. Okay. Um, so 5 is the bigger number here. So it's kind of, or another way that people describe it is it looks like an alligator. So the alligator mouth is eating the bigger number, the greater number. So that makes sense too. So could get some teeth in there, what have you. So okay, so that's greater than. So you just read left to right. So 5 is greater than 3. Um, this sign is greater than or equal to. And it's just a greater than sign mixed with an equal sign. What do you get when you cross a greater than sign and equal sign? You get this. So if these two had a baby, that's what it would be. Okay, so um, I could say if I say x is greater than or equal to 3, x could be 3, it could be equal to 3, or it could be 4 or 5 or 120 billion. Okay, then we have less than. So again, with this symbol, you just a good way to remember is you just point the small end towards the smaller number, the big end towards the larger number. So I could say, reading from left to right, 3 is less than 5. The alligator teeth here. Less than or equal to, same thing. We've got if you take a less than sign and marry it to a equal sign, you get the less than or equal to. And then we've got the sign that's just not equal to. So if I say 1 is equal to 1, yeah, that's true. But if I want to say 2 is just not equal to 1, I'd say no, that's not equal. So that's a pretty intuitive sign. It's equal that's been slashed out, kind of like it's kind of like me saying 2 is equal to 1. No, wrong. So greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, or just not equal to.